In today's video, we're going to explore how to manage users in your organization's system. I'll guide you through two straightforward methods: manually adding users and utilizing just-in-time provisioning. Let's get started. First up, let's manually add a user. It's super easy. In your Okta admin dashboard, click on Directory and then select People. Here, you'll see the option Add Person. Click on that. Now, you'll choose a user type. You can stick with the default or pick one from the list. Fill out the user's details like first name, last name, and username, which should be in email format. Once you've finished, click on Save. When we perform a search for the newly created user, we can see that was created and is active. Now let's try to log in. Enter the credentials for the user. The login was successful. Now, let's talk about just-in-time provisioning. It's a cool feature that creates user profiles automatically when they first log in using Active Directory or single sign-on application. Here's how it works. In the Okta admin dashboard, go to Directory and then select Directory Integrations. Pick an Active Directory instance. Click on the Provisioning tab and then to Okta in the Settings list. Hit Edit in the General section. Look for the Create and Update Users on Login checkbox and tick it for JIT provisioning. Scroll down, hit Save, and you're all set. Remember, JIT works only if the user doesn't already have an Okta profile. If they do, it just updates their existing profile during a full import. Now, we are about to create a user in Active Directory called Second Okta User. We can see that the user does not exist in Okta. Now, in Active Directory Users and Computers, add a new user. As mentioned before, we are going to call this user Second Okta User. Once you finish adding the details, click Next and then Finish. Performing another search for the user in Okta, we can see that is not yet created. Now log in with the newly created user. Here is the beauty of JIT. The user is going to be created on the first login. And here it is, the login was successful, and the user was created in Okta using JIT. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.